Now, another type of log equation solving is also what I call the hidden log. But they give you a kind of like a clue by asking you to express first and then solve it. Alright, so this is the example. Now, we are asked to express this thing in the form of a to the power x equals to b. Now, don't be too concerned about this. All they want you to do is that numbers are kept to the right, any x term will be kept to the left, and eventually we can use the law of indices to make it this way. Alright, subsequently then we can actually solve for x. So let's look at the original equation, which is this one here. You will see that you have 1, 2, 3 of the terms that has got x, right? So we are going to bring all of them to the same side. So we have 3 to the power x times 2 to the power 2x over 5 to the power x will give me 7. So what I've done so far is that bring all the x terms to the same side. Now, this is x and this is 2x. I want to make all of them have x only. So what I can do is that I can actually do this 2 squared and x. Because by the law of the indices, 2 times x is 2x, right? So I'm going to write it this way. So just be patient and you will see what I'm trying to do. Now, 2 squared is actually the same as 4. So I have 3 to the power x times 4 to the power x over 5 to the power x. And you will see that, hey, I have all the x exponents now. So using the law of indices, I will be able to have 3 times 4 over 5. And I have the power of x that is outside here. Alright, so this is actually using I think law 3 and law 4 of indices. Alright, so I have 12 over 5 to the power x equals to 7. So in other words, this is actually my A and this is my B. So all I have to do is just to make sure that my x terms are all on the left hand side and they really are all together. So now for you to solve for x is exactly the same like what you did earlier on. X is an exponent, so to be able to bring them down, you're going to use log on both sides. Okay, so this is the second part where you have to solve. Okay, so x is there, so I'm going to take log on both sides. Now remember, I told you you can use either LG or LN, it doesn't quite matter. I'm going to use LG, base 10. So x comes down, so I have x log 12 over 5 equals to log 7. And I want to solve for x, so I have log 7 over log 12 over 5. Okay, so I'm going to be able to use the calculator for this, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so I have log 7. Okay, I have log 7 and I have log 12 over 5, so I have log, and this is actually 12 over 5. Okay, so hopefully you can see that, and you'll be able to have 2.2227, so correct to 3SF, so this will be roughly 2.22 correct to 3SF, and there you have it. This will be your solving part.